Okay, all right, so here is how you would actually figure out in the moment equation for this problem. All right, so just to recap, here is the gate from A to B, and we have the spring force, we have AX and AY, and we have FR. We find FR based on our free body diagram of the water in this curved section. All right, so FR is FH squared plus FV squared, and the angle off the horizontal is tan to the minus 1 of FV over FH. Okay, so that's the angle. And the angle you get is roughly 23 degrees. All right, so what we need to do is take a moment at A and set it equal to 0. We'll pick our positive direction to be like that. So the easy one is the spring force times 3 meters or the radius, okay? Because it's just a perpendicular distance away from A, so it's just 3 meters. Then this is the, whoops, F of R. This distance is the hard part, okay? Because we need the perpendicular distance from A right down to here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in AutoCAD. All right, so take a look at the red section. This red is the gate. All right, here the purple is the horizontal, sorry, the resultant force FR. Okay, so the angle 23 degrees that this force is off the horizontal is right here. Okay, this is 23 degrees. Let me zoom out here and move it. So from this point to the purple is 23 degrees. And it actually, because it's a circle, this force actually acts towards the center of this circle. Okay, out 23 degrees up. And it hits this point here. So what we're trying to do is figure out this yellow perpendicular distance away from A. Okay, so what I did is I said, okay, I made a line that's 90 degrees from the purple to the yellow. And based on trig, this angle right here where my crosshairs are is 23 degrees. All right, this white line from here down is 3 meters or R. And we can use cosine of the angle to figure out what the length of this yellow section is. All right, so let me crop this. Let me take this in. I'll bring it into here. Okay, now we can draw some things on here. Let's do it in purple. So we're trying to find this distance, and we know this distance from here to here is R, or 3 meters. And we know this angle is theta, is 23 degrees. So cosine theta equals adjacent x, which is the yellow line we're looking for, over R. So x is R cosine theta. X is our perpendicular distance away from A to F of R. Okay, which I did up here. So the yellow line, if I draw yellow, is this perpendicular distance. All right, so now we have it. It becomes R cosine theta. And that's how you find it. All right. Good luck.